Hello there, my crafty friends. It is Candy here from SweetStamper.com, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the Sale-a-Bration joining special. So we're in the Sale-a-Bration period, and that runs all the way through the end of August. And there is a phenomenal special promotion whereby you can join Stampin' Up! By purchasing the starter kit, but then getting a little extra. So our starter kit is always the best deal in the catalog. It's always the best way to enjoy Stampin' Up! And that is by selecting $125 of anything you want. You only pay $99 plus tax. Now I do have a little stack here of items that I pulled from our new holiday catalog, because I figured that's kind of where a lot of us want to land. So I've just selected these items total a little bit under 125, because you can't go over 125. And sometimes, you know, getting exactly there, I think this is like 123.50 or something. So this is the Ringed with Nature bundle. It includes, this is a hybrid bundle, so it has a really amazing embossing folder and then dies that fit in it, plus a whole lot of other dies. You have a great stamp set that runs all the way from, you know, fall all the way through your winter holidays. So that's one bundle. Then you could also get Piece to You, which is one of my favorites, great for Christmas cards. Then you could also get, and this is for $99 plus tax. You remember you pay your, you save paying your shipping. I've got the Brightest Glow, which is a phenomenal, all greetings for the holidays. And then I have some specialty paper here. This is the metallic shimmer paper, and it kind of coordinates with that Piece to You stamp set, but this is all shimmery paper, and it's going to be super fun. You can see where it goes through fall as well as winter. And I think it's gonna be great for shaker cards and just a lot of wow factor, whether you use just a little piece of it or the whole thing. Then I have also, but wait, there's more. I have a whole package. Now I've been dipping into mine, but this is the Lights Aglow Designer Series paper. It's part of that suite that goes with the words I just showed you. Anyway, it's a gorgeous foiled paper. I just designed a whole class with it. This was for my Christmas in July class. And then I also found the adhesive backed stars. So these are iridescent stars. All of that you can get for $99 plus tax. So you're getting $25 free and you're getting your shipping free. But wait, there's more. So right now, through the end of Sale-a-Bration, you can get this beautiful journal. And this is a planner, sometimes called a journal. Gorgeous planner. I love it. This is a $45 value and you get it totally free. So I've already been digging into mine. You get the planner, plus you get 3 little mini notebooks. They're beautiful. And I've already been digging into them and making notes in them. And then you also get enough inserts here to do 18 months of journaling, planning, whatever you want to do. There's also a stamp set, of course. This is a photopolymer stamp set, and you can do all kinds of fun things with it. I'll show you a little bit of the way I've been doing some of my will I be able to turn to it quickly? Yeah. So here is some of where I have been stamping inside my planner. Super fun. This is a $45 value. You get all of that for free. Now that's only through the end of August. So you may want to know, so what does that entail for you when you purchase that starter kit? Well, first of all, there's no obligation to do anything else beyond that. But I will say, you automatically, when you join Stampin' Up, you get a discount. So just like when you join Sam's Club or you join Costco, you get a discount. Well, you get a discount with Stampin' Up, and it's 20 to 25%. And I say 20 to 25% because 20% is the entry-level discount, and then you can grow up to 25% if you want. There's a lot of opportunities there within being part of Stampin' Up, and one of those is getting the first look at those catalogs, all those new products. So like our holiday catalog just launched. Those of us who are demonstrators, those of us who are part of Stampin' Up, we got to see it back actually before June, even the end of May. And then we got to start pre-ordering items from the holiday book in June, and we earned Sale-a-Bration rewards all through June, and then we have July and August as well. So right now, when you purchase the starter kit, you will be able to get your discount of 20% plus Sale-a-Bration rewards on your future purchases. So once you become part of Stampin' Up, you will not pay retail. You'll pay 20% less, and that's before tax and shipping, but then you'll get free Sale-a-Bration items based on the retail price. So let's say you want to put in an order of $100 after you joined. Well, you would get 20% off, so that's only $80, but you get 2 Sale-a-Bration rewards with it. So, you know, there's just a lot to love as far as just getting great value. So that's the biggest thing you get with Stampin' Up is you get value. You also get the first look and first dibs on a lot of the new products. And then you also get to be part of a global community. So we have something called Demonstrator Planning Place. It is a Facebook group. We also have something called Stampin' Connection, which is not a Facebook group for those of you who are not on Facebook. But it connects us demonstrators all across the globe. So you can share ideas, hear ideas, or see ideas, because we're very visual, with people in the South Pacific, with people in Europe, with people in Canada, with people in the United States. So super fun. You also, that's what you get with Stampin' Up, but you also become part of my team. Now, we do call it a team, and my team is called the Southern Sweet Stampers because, you know, a team is a group of people who accomplish more together. So, you know, when you're on a football team, you know, one person can only get so far down that field. But when everybody's working together, you can advance that ball down the field. So my team of Southern Sweet Stampers, we are a creative community. We're a very positive creative community. And we connect in many ways. So we connect if you want to. This is all voluntary. But we do have a monthly team get together on Zoom. And that means people from all over the United States. It doesn't matter where you live, you can join us on Zoom. We have a lot of fun in that gathering. So some of our monthly features, because they kind of, well, I won't say they rotate because there's not a true rotation, but we cycle. So sometimes, like this month, we're going to have a craft room tour. So one of our team members is going to show us the way that she has her crafts set up. And sometimes we will have demonstrations of techniques. We will have updates on what's going on with Stampin' Up, like any kind of specials or features that you're going to want to know about. We do mystery stamping most months, and there's just a lot of fun. So that's, and you also get a free set of PDF tutorials with that meeting, whether you join the meeting or not. And so that's one way that we connect. Now, we also connect through a private Facebook group. It is members only. It's very positive and creative. We do creative challenges there with prizes. There's a lot of fun things that happen there. We get to know each other, and that's just something that if you're on Facebook and you like that kind of community, it's a phenomenal place to be. If you're not on Facebook, I get it. I totally understand. So I will send information to you via email. And that is, again, about what's going on within Stampin' Up, any kind of specials you're going to want to be aware of, and our challenges and things like that. So we like to high-five each other. We like to congratulate each other. We like to cheer each other on. We do a quarterly giving back project. And so one of our team members, Alicia, she heads that up. And so last year, one of our quarterly giving back, we were sending cards to St. Jude's Hospital. It's a children's hospital here in the U.S. We did one last, I think earlier this year, where we were sending cards to the troops that are deployed. And so we send cards and we send all kinds of fun things to different people, groups, and when we do it together, we can do so much more. So I could send a packet of stuff to somebody, but together we can make a bigger impact. And so we do a Making a Difference challenge each quarter. So lots of fun things. And I feel like my job as a team leader, and I do have a sizable team, and we are spread across the U.S., is to make your time with our team really just the best that it can be. So I have team members who've been with me for 12 years, and I have team members who just joined, a few months ago. So again, there's no obligation. You don't have to stay for 10 years, but we have team members who stick around for a long time because they love the community. They love the discount. I haven't paid full price for my Stampin' Up! Product since I joined 14 years ago. So there's just a lot to love about being a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, which is what happens when you join Stampin' Up! That is the term that you will have. Now, that doesn't mean you have to hold classes. It doesn't mean you have to ever do a video like this or have Facebook posts or Pinterest posts or anything like that. You can just enjoy the ride. All of my team members also, as a perk, a team perk, they get all of my class tutorials for free. So the month or two after I've run classes, they get all of those tutorials for free. So there is a lot of perks, and you really have nothing to lose and you have everything to gain. So I hope that you will really consider joining Stampin' Up! With me. I am Candy Rattray from SweetStamper.com. And if you have any questions at all, you can email me, Candy@SweetStamper.com. You can private message me. But I have just so much love for my team, so much appreciation for them. And one of the things I love to do is help them shine. So some of them hold classes and things. I like to help them with that any way I can. But the vast majority of my team members, they are just loving on people in their families and their communities with their handmade projects. So I hope that you will consider joining with this amazing special right now. Thanks so much. Take care and God bless.